Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Tibbers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Mazda CX-5 Maxx Sport, stock reference number 4793. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2013 through to the 12th month 2016. It has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all drive transmission. PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right hand fog light, left surround, left hand fog light with surround, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, both left hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Unfortunately nothing survived on the rear end of the vehicle. With the right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has one small dent, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, non-sunroof type with sunglass holder, right hand sun visor, left hand sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.